All right, this is a specialty leap that I used throughout my career in many different ways. For lack of knowing what the correct terminology for it is, Annabelle might know the terminology. In baton twirling, in my era, we called it the Russian leap. So, it is a straightforward looking thing like this. And I'm using my other side leg than what I used to use because my knee is not good enough to jump off of it anymore. And what you do is you start with a kick and a small jump. Then, when you kick and small jump, you use your standing leg to kick your rear end and to land. And the way you can utilize this jump is forward, and now I'll use my good side, catching backhand under the kick leg. You then jump, and then you do the jump, and that leg's supposed to kick your bottom. I simply can't. I'll do it on the other side. Then you can also do it facing the front. And it looks nice. Step kick. Now here's the one that I really want to show you. It is the same exact jump, but you're going to put a chalet or a turn in front, and as you kick, you're going to spin. And then you land in a nice lunge or wherever you want to land. You can do this with flat fingers and come out of it. You can do it with spins and catching a head catch. With that chalet, kick your bottom, land, or continue spinning. Russian leap.